it's only by the third or fourth episode that you're like, this shit is genius. Because basically where a laugh track would be, where the whole audience would laugh, there's no laughter. And that just makes it even funnier. Because you feel like you're laughing by yourself. I've been in the room by myself watching, like, did you? But I didn't get it at first. I was like, oh my God, this is the worst show ever. And then
why did you watch it?
Because it was genius.
No, but I mean, like,
Because they went up about this show, and I was just like, what is it about this show that's so fucking? I mean, it's so good they made an American version, but they went totally American on the American version. I mean, that shit is mad funny. I mean, the English people look at it like, the English version is much better. It's much better than that American bullshit is shit. Shite. It's all shite. Americans always fuck up everything. And they try to kill us on our humor. But Steve Carell is funny. He's funny. That's what she